Head of Meteorological Center Shillong Thang Jala Lovum informed that rainfall in the state will continue in the next few days. Informing that monsoon onset was declared for all parts of northeast and Meghalaya on May 30th, and the monsoon is continuing actively. He further informed that the state will experience very heavy rainfall for the next 2 days. The official has requested the public to check the social media pages and visit the IMD website.
Declared for all parts of northeast and Meghalaya on the 30th of May, and the monsoon is continuing. I'm very active. So in the next few days, we're going to have very heavy rainfall and heavy rainfall in Meghalaya. And we're giving very heavy rainfall for the next 2 days, and after that, heavy rainfall for the next three more days. So rainfall will continue, and for updates, you kindly see our social media pages and visit our website. Thank you.
The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills